Assassination, baby. I was wondering, I'm a street photographer. Would you like to make some photographs?
Yes, maybe, okay.
Okay? Okay. Hold on one sec. I got my camera right here.
Okay.
Remember me? How are you?
Fine, and you?
Let's go.
Welcome to Miami.
You were chasing me. You were under the bleachers when no one could see.
Hey. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Hand down. Yeah. Sexy. Sexy. Go like this. Go like this. Beautiful.
Were you the one that got away?
Are you getting arrested? Are you being good?
Yes.
Up in Nashville, try to settle my restless soul.
No, they're right here. Are they coming for you? Are the police coming for you?
I hope so.
What did you do? They're coming.
No.
The police are coming. They said, where's that beautiful blonde French girl? You don't believe me? You want to go talk to the police?
No.
Changed when you left. I keep on asking myself in my mind, were you the one that
Stand back a little. Yeah. Shake your hand. Emotion. Open the mouth a little bit. Yeah. Chin down, chin down, chin down. Beautiful. More hips. Hips. Now hip the other way. Facing me. Facing me. Beautiful, beautiful. Now play with the hair. Put your hands in the hair and give me like a lion, like a lion. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Chin. Good. Meow. Okay, now get on your knees. Here. Yeah. Nose down. Nose. Beautiful. Now look at me. Yeah. Ready? Beautiful. Big wave. Grande vague. C'est la grande vague. Beautiful. Yeah. Leg down, leg down. Yeah. Good. Play with your hair a little. Wait, what's your hobby?
Cheerleading.
Cheerleading?
Yes.
How do you say it in French?
The same, cheerleading.
Is that your airplane?
No.
Jellyfish.
Não pode. Ele falou que assim tudo bem, você não pode esfregar um.
Look at me.
Ah.
That's your angle. Chin down a little. Chin down. Chin down. Chin down. This is chin. Eyes. Eyes on me. I want you to be more happy.
Yes, okay.
Don't be nervous. Be like, yeah, I'm so beautiful. Hi.
keep on asking myself?
I like the body. The body was good. I make you very thin. Are there sharks out there? Relax. Relax. And then let me see eyes. Eyes. Eyes, eyes.
Time flies and the years went by. Still I tried.
Great.
Sweet
Smile a little. Feel a little happy.
changed when you left.
A lot of makeup on me now.
Yeah?
But I know for girls, this is not a lot of makeup.
Miami's crazy.
There is a light here.
How did you like the photo shoot? What is this? Latin America? You want to go?